Royal Challengers Bengaluru secured their maiden IPL title on Tuesday night, beating Punjab Kings by 6 runs in the finals at Ahmedabad. From being a 3-time runners-up to claiming the IPL title trophy, RCB has finally scaled the peak. Bengaluru seemed to have dropped the ball by making 190 for 9, but more than made up for it with an excellent bowling performance as they defended 189 runs. Shepherd may have picked up the big wicket of Shreyas, but it was Krunal Pandya who set it up. Coming into the attack in the 7th over, the left-arm spinner tied the batters in knots by keeping an exceptional length. The 34-year-old dismissed Josh Inglis and Prabsimran Singh. Punjab Kings would have felt it did well to restrict Bengaluru to below 200, but there was no stopping for RCB from making history. And the owner of a dazzling array of titles and milestones, Virat Kohli, has added the one highlight missing in the list. And to get you more on this, I'm joined by DD India correspondent Priya Yadav from New Delhi. Good morning, Priya. Now, finally, Royal Challengers Bengaluru has won the title trophy for the very first time in the 18th edition. Virat's 18 on 18 worked perfectly well. Tell us what exactly worked for Team RCB, Priya.
Of course, Deepika, it is a big moment for the franchisee, and not just for the franchisee, but the entire fan base all across India. And of course, the game started pretty well for RCB, and Phil Salt and Virat Kohli opened the batting, and Phil Salt was going well before getting out, but later Virat Kohli, Mayank Agarwal, Liam Livingstone, and all of them picked up from there, and they played an exceptional strike from there. And of course, it was a big win for Virat Kohli, and he has been waiting for the win for the last 18 years. He has been there, loyal to the franchisee, loyal to the team, and of course a big win for him. And he was also joined by his former RCB players, AB de Villiers and Gayle, who were there to support him, who were there to support the franchisee. He shared the victory with them, and he was also supported by his beloved wife Anushka Sharma, who's also there, who has been a part of this journey for RCB. And of course, it was a beyond great and brilliant moment for the entire franchisee and the team.
And on the other hand, Priya, Punjab Kings 11 was also no less, but it was not their day yesterday. And especially we saw a very new side of Shreyas Iyer as well, isn't it?
Definitely, Shreyas Iyer has been performing exceptionally well. He was also playing for Kolkata Knight Riders last season, and they lifted the trophy. And this season also he had played, and he fought till the very end. In fact, the entire team fought till the very edge. Of course, one team had to win, but both the teams were playing, and there was going to be a first-time winner. So of course it was a special game for both the teams, but of course we only had to have one winner in the game. But Shreyas Iyer had been playing phenomenally well this entire season. In the last match also he played an 87 not out for against Mumbai Indians. Of course yesterday he got out after 1 run, but the entire team played very well, and Arshdeep Singh and all the bowlers had also played very well. Arshdeep Singh bowled, he took 3 wickets in the very last over. That played a very important role in restricting RCB to below 200 score. That also played a very important role. But of course, the entire team played really well. We only had to have one winner, but it was a really good match.
All right, thank you so much, Priya, for joining us and bringing us the latest on this very important victory.